This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Modern Audi vehicles are incredibly advanced machines. They contain dozens of electronic systems working together to control how the engine delivers power, how the transmission shifts, and how the car behaves in different driving conditions. Most drivers focus on the obvious things: horsepower, acceleration, turbochargers, engine tuning. But what many Audi owners don't realize is that some performance limitations don't come from the engine itself. They come from software. Modern vehicles constantly adjust their behavior through electronic control systems designed to balance performance, efficiency, comfort, and safety. And sometimes these systems prioritize comfort and efficiency over responsiveness. This means your Audi might actually be capable of delivering stronger acceleration and sharper throttle response, but the car is intentionally holding back. One of the most common reasons this happens involves a setting many drivers see every day but rarely think about. It's hidden inside the driving mode configuration. Audi calls this system Drive Select. Drive Select allows the driver to change how multiple systems behave at the same time. When you change the driving mode, the car adjusts throttle sensitivity, transmission shift timing, steering weight, suspension behavior, and sometimes differential response. Most drivers leave their Audi in comfort mode or auto mode, and for daily driving that makes sense. Comfort mode smooths out throttle input. The engine responds more gradually. The transmission shifts earlier to keep RPM low. All of this improves ride comfort and fuel efficiency. But it also means the engine isn't delivering its power as aggressively as it could. In other words, the car feels calmer, smoother, less urgent, and over time drivers begin to think this is simply how the car behaves. But switch the same car to dynamic mode and something interesting happens. Throttle response becomes sharper, the engine reacts more quickly when you press the accelerator, the transmission holds gears longer, and the car suddenly feels much more alive. Many drivers describe it as if the engine suddenly gained power, but the truth is, the engine always had that power. Dynamic mode simply allows the engine to deliver it more directly. But here's the surprising part. Even dynamic mode isn't always the most effective configuration, because Audi actually allows drivers to customize something even more precise, a setting called individual mode. And inside this menu, you can configure how the engine, transmission, steering, and suspension behave independently. This means you can combine the most responsive settings for performance while keeping other systems comfortable for daily driving. But before we explore that, if you enjoy discovering hidden Audi features and learning how to unlock the performance already built into these cars, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It costs you nothing, but it helps the channel continue producing deep Audi-focused content designed for real owners. In the next part, we'll look at another setting that can quietly reduce how much power your Audi delivers during acceleration, and most drivers don't even realize it's happening.
In part 1, we talked about how Audi Drive Select can completely change how responsive your car feels. But there is another system that quietly affects how your Audi delivers power. And many drivers interact with it every single day without realizing its impact. This system is the automatic start-stop function. At first glance, the start-stop system seems simple. When the car comes to a complete stop, at a traffic light for example, the engine shuts off automatically. When the driver releases the brake pedal, the engine restarts. The purpose is straightforward: reduce fuel consumption and emissions. In city driving, this system can save a measurable amount of fuel, but there is something most drivers don't realize. The start-stop system changes how the engine management behaves during low-speed driving and acceleration. Every time the engine shuts off and restarts, the engine control unit must quickly stabilize multiple systems: fuel injection, turbo boost pressure, and idle speed, transmission engagement, and throttle calibration. This process happens extremely quickly. Modern Audi engines restart in fractions of a second, but even a small delay can change how the car feels when pulling away from a stop. Instead of immediate power delivery, there may be a brief moment where the engine is stabilizing itself. Most drivers barely notice it. But when this cycle happens repeatedly in heavy city traffic, the driving experience can feel slightly less responsive, especially in vehicles equipped with turbocharged engines and automatic transmissions. This is why many Audi drivers choose to temporarily disable the start-stop system during certain driving conditions. For example, stop-and-go traffic and short city trips. or situations where immediate throttle response is preferred. When the start-stop system is disabled, the engine remains running. This allows the engine management system to stay fully stabilized. Turbo boost pressure remains ready. Throttle response becomes more consistent, and the car often feels smoother when pulling away from stops. It's important to understand that this system is not harmful to the engine. Audi engineers designed start-stop systems to operate safely and reliably. However, drivers who prefer a more consistent throttle response sometimes choose to manage when the system is active. But there's another factor that can influence how responsive your Audi feels, and it involves something many drivers never consider: the way modern engines learn your driving style over time. Because today's engine control systems don't just respond to inputs, they adapt to them. And depending on how the car is driven, this adaptation can either sharpen or soften how the engine reacts. In Part 3, we'll explore how this adaptive behavior works, and why two identical Audi vehicles can sometimes feel completely different.
In Part 1, we explored how Audi Drive Select can change how aggressively the engine and transmission respond. In Part 2, we looked at how the start-stop system can slightly affect how responsive the car feels during stop-and-go driving. Now let's talk about something even more interesting, because modern Audi engines do something many drivers don't realize. They learn how you drive. Modern vehicles use sophisticated engine control software that constantly adapts to driver behavior. Every time you drive, the car records how you interact with the accelerator pedal. It observes patterns such as how quickly you press the accelerator, how often you accelerate aggressively, how smoothly you drive, and how frequently the engine operates under load. Over time, the engine control unit adjusts how it responds to the accelerator. This process is often referred to as adaptive throttle behavior. If the car is driven gently most of the time, the system begins prioritizing smoothness and efficiency. Throttle response becomes softer. Power delivery becomes more gradual. The transmission may shift earlier. All of this creates a smoother, more comfortable driving experience. But it can also make the car feel slightly less responsive. This is why two identical Audi vehicles can sometimes feel completely different, even though they have the same engine. One driver may experience sharper acceleration. Another driver may feel softer throttle response. The difference is not mechanical. It's simply the car adapting to how it is driven. The good news is that this behavior can also adapt in the opposite direction. When the car experiences stronger acceleration inputs, such as merging onto a highway or climbing hills, the engine control system begins adjusting again. Throttle response becomes sharper. Power delivery becomes more immediate. The transmission holds gears longer. In other words, the car begins behaving in a more performance-oriented way. This doesn't increase horsepower, but it allows the engine to deliver the power it already has more efficiently. Many Audi drivers notice that after a long highway drive or a few stronger accelerations, the car suddenly feels more responsive again. This is the adaptive system recalibrating. When you combine everything we discussed in this episode, you begin to see how many small systems influence how your Audi feels on the road. Drive select settings, start-stop behavior, adaptive throttle response. Each of these systems is designed to balance comfort, efficiency, and performance. But understanding how they work allows drivers to get the best possible experience from their car. Sometimes unlocking better performance doesn't require expensive upgrades or modifications. It simply requires understanding the technology that Audi engineers have already built into the vehicle. If you enjoy learning about hidden Audi features, performance tips, and the technology behind modern cars, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It costs you nothing, but it helps the channel continue producing detailed Audi-focused videos designed for real owners. Because modern cars contain far more technology than most drivers realize, and sometimes unlocking better performance is simply a matter of understanding how your car actually works.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.